Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
12 best side dishes for fajitas. Related. How to make the most delicious fajitas ever. Avocado salad. Quick and easy refried beans. Easy spicy roasted potatoes. Jeff's chili con queso. Cilantro tomato corn salad. Fresco salsa. Instant pot chicken pozole verde. The 19th of July 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Traditionally, it was skirt steak sliced thin across the grain and quickly grilled to rare or medium rare and served with warm flour tortillas and a selection of add-ons such as guacamole, pico de gallo, grilled peppers, onions, and cheese. 10 October 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Top 5 fajita toppings. Cheese. Cheese is the #1 fajita topping. Salsa. Salsa is the Spanish word for sauce. Soured cream. When it gets hot, 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 soured cream is there to cool things down. Chicken. No wonder the Brits like chicken fajitas. Guacamole. Guacamole is a colorful, tasty dip made from ripe avocados and tasty spices.
Let's help you make your mark.
The word fajita is actually a reference to the type of meat traditionally used in the assembly of the dish, carne asada, or skirt steak. This tough cut of meat is sliced against the grain, grilled, and accompanied by grilled vegetables with flour or corn tortillas on the side.
Make your mark, take our lead.
There might be some minor differences in ingredients, especially between recipes and cooks, but the flavors are very similar. Fajita seasoning has garlic powder and onion powder. Taco seasoning doesn't, but you cook through meat with onions and fresh garlic. Taco seasoning has ground coriander. 2 July 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.